Hello everyone, this is Sarvahita, Assistant Professor of CAC Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I am here to explain a few topics of the subject CCS 352 Multimedia and Animation. First, let us see about the definitions of multimedia, elements in multimedia, and about the hardware and software, and about distributed multimedia systems. Multimedia, the integration of multiple forms of media such as text, audio, video, images, and animations into a single presentation or application. Generally, multimedia is divided into two, that is, multis and media. So, multis is a plural of multiple. Okay, so we have number of medias. This medias may be text, audio, video, image, and animation. Multimedia systems, which refers to the setups that enable the creation, storage, manipulation, and delivery of multimedia content. A multimedia system involves both the hardware and software components to handle various media types and integrate them seamlessly. The distributed multimedia systems. These are the systems where the multimedia content is created, stored, and delivered across a distributed network, such as the Internet. These systems are designed to support media sharing, streaming, and collaborative multimedia applications. Let's see about elements of multimedia. This typically involves the following elements, that is text, which are the written words that form the basic information component in the multimedia system. Audio, that they are the sound elements including the speech, music, and sound effects that complement the visual content. Videos, which moving images that provide the visual context or storytelling in multimedia content. Images, they are the static visuals such as photographs, illustrations, or diagrams. Animation, moving graphics or sequences that bring the life to visual elements. Interactivity, the ability of the users to engage or interact with the multimedia content such as clicking, dragging, or using input devices like a mouse or keyboard. Now let us see about multimedia hardware and software. Multimedia hardware refers to the physical devices that enable the capture, creation, manipulation, and display of the multimedia content. These includes the input devices, which may be a microphone, camera, scanner, touchscreens, or mic. Mouse. Okay, so these microphones are used for audio recording, the cameras are used for video or image capture, the scanners are used to digitize the images or documents, the touch screens for the user interaction with multimedia systems. The output devices, they are the monitors, speakers, and printers. For monitors are the for visual display of text, images, videos, etc. And speakers or headphones are for audio output. And the printers for printing the multimedia content such as images or text. The storage devices, the hard drives, SSDs, and optical discs for storing the large multimedia files. Cloud storage are used for remote storage and sharing of multimedia content. The processing units, that is two processing units, that is CPU and GPU, central and graphical processing units that handle the heavy computing and rendering which are required for completing the task. Now let us see about multimedia softwares. Multimedia software refers to the programs that facilitate the creation, editing, and delivery of multimedia content. Some common types include the authoring software, which are used for creating the multimedia applications such as Adobe Director or the Apple Final Cut Pro. Video and audio editing software, the software used to edit and manipulate a video or audio files such as Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or the Audacity. The animation software, tools for creating the animation such as Blender or Adobe Animate. The web browsers, the software like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox that supports the multimedia playback and interactivity on the internet. Multimedia players, the software that can play multimedia content such as VLC Media Player or the Windows Media Player. Graphics and image editing software, the tools for the editing static visuals such as Adobe Photoshop or GIMP. Now let us see about the distributed multimedia systems. A distributed multimedia system refers to the systems where the multimedia content and services are distributed across different network devices and servers. The key components and the features of distributed multimedia systems include the client-server architecture. A distributed multimedia system typically involves a client requesting the multimedia content and the server that delivers the content. This can be done using the streaming protocols. Content delivery. The multimedia content can be streamed or downloaded. Streamed in the case of YouTube or Netflix, and downloaded in the case of media files which are delivered over the network. Synchronization. In distributed systems, it's crucial that audio, video, and other elements stay in synchronization across different network devices, particularly for real-time multimedia communication. Example, video conferencing. The network infrastructure. The distributed multimedia systems require a solid network infrastructure to handle the high bandwidth requirements for media delivery and communication. Scalability. The distributed multimedia systems such as must be scalable to handle the large volumes of users and data, especially in applications like video streaming or online gaming. Load balancing and caching. These techniques are used to ensure that multimedia content is efficiently delivered to the users, minimizing the latency and preventing the server overloads. Protocols. The streaming protocols such as HTTP live streaming, real-time messaging protocol, or the real-time transfer protocol are essential for delivering the multimedia over the distributed systems. Security. Ensuring that multimedia content is securely delivered, protected from the privacy, and that the privacy is maintained in the systems with user interactions. Thank you.